I'm back with another one, period, you know?
Red cups, my party hat on you, my party favor. Your trophy case filled with them accolades. When you leave, I just be hard as fuck. Hard as fuck, I'm tryna tell you something.
Back with another banger, you know, period. Y'all know who it is. Pretty Stay, y'all know. And, you know, we back here with another banger today. And we finna, you know, get into it, period. Like, get into
Yeah, get into it.
Like, get into it, period. So, today we're gonna do some lashes, and everybody been asking me, like, how to do my lashes and where I get them done at. Like, baby, the hair store is your best friend. That's all I'm gonna say. The hair store is very much your best friend. When it comes down to lashes, the hair store is your best friend. So, today, I'm gonna use these. I'm not gonna use these because I'm gonna use these today because I just used these. Not like I want to say yesterday because I took some videos and they will be like right here, right there. And so basically, I don't have no lashes that's like not used, but these don't have a name on them. But if you want to know where to get them from, if you live in Florida, or I don't know if they have them everywhere else, but in Florida we got Fashion World, and I got these from Fashion World, and they Max Me. Y'all don't mind my nail, please, cause baby, let me see if I can get them. Yeah, this one. See, these from Max Me. Yeah, so they real good at, you know, they washable and whatever. You know, so basically now I do this the ratchet way by using these fingernails, baby, and I comb and call it a day because it's really no. Anyways, so either you can use lash glue, or hair glue. Now today I'm using my lash glue because I just don't be having time for hair glue. Hair glue, it's like, it's basically mascara, and basically that's really, you know, really what it is. And so I got my lashes, my comb, and that's what you. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is grab your lash glue and pick up your right or left lash and apply the lash glue on the lash, and wait about 1 to 2 minutes so it can get tacky. I just do this so, you know, it won't, because you don't want to apply wet glue on your lash because then it's going to be real hard to get it off your lash, especially with lash glue. Like, it's very hard. Alright, okay, so now you're gonna grab your mascara. It doesn't matter what brand this is just basically making it easier for you to apply. Make sure you get to the inner part of your eye because those are smaller, so those are going to be easier like to stand out, so it basically, you know, make it look like a fake lash. But those little parts right there, you need to get those, you know, so, you know, make it look natural, girl, period, you know. Okay, I apply it to my lash line, then I just adjust it to where I need it to be and where I want it to be, basically, and I just push down on the lash till it's where and how I want it. So basically I want it to be like I want it to be centered, and I want both of them to be the same. And basically you just repeat on the other side, just like how you did on the right or either left. And it's really that easy, like, period. And I really hope y'all enjoyed the video today. You know, I'm gonna be coming back with more bangers. And also, people be asking me how I wear my glasses with my lashes. Like, it's really not that hard, but I mean, it's very, you know, some people don't like, you know, they lashes to be like bouncing or sitting like right on top of they glasses up here, they frames. So I just move mine down a little bit so I can be able to see everything that's going on in front of me. So yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed the video today. If y'all not pretty gang, then what are you? Period.
Florida shit, Florida girl shit, I got my cheeks out, my belly out, my back out is lit. Florida shit, Florida girl shit, I got my cheeks out, my belly out, my back out is lit. Florida shit.